Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a little bit since my last Sofi update, and I wanted to go through and show you everything that I'm looking at for this stock, as well as some future catalysts that might excite investors going forward. First up, let's take a look at where analysts are. Surprisingly, Sofi is seeing a massive divergence, with price targets ranging from $12 to $38. This difference, a more than a triple in market cap, is just crazy and highlights a significant disagreement on the stock's potential. We also saw an update on short interest. While it started to climb back up, the stock just had its second best week ever, running up nearly 13%. After that big run-up, I expect a lot of those shorts to end up covering. But here's the real potential catalyst: the Fed decision. The chance of a 25 basis point rate cut has increased dramatically to nearly 87%. This is huge for Sofi, given that lending revenue makes up over 50% of the total. This company is heavily weighted on interest rates, meaning a rate cut could lead to an explosion in lending revenue. Looking at the institutional growth, Sofi has been accelerating. We've seen a significant change in growth, with the company essentially 10x ING its assets, moving all the way down to 53rd place in the commercial bank consolidated assets, ranking from 240th. In terms of capital, their capital ratios are now above 20%. This essentially means they have a huge margin to continue to accelerate their growth and make a lot more money. On the member side, the statistics look phenomenal. We saw the highest number of total website traffic and downloads, lining us up for the most amount of new members in Q4. If this trend continues, we could hit an all-time high of 71 million visitors. We're also seeing an exciting pipeline of new products. *Sofi Crypto, expected in December. *Sofi USD stablecoin, a payment stablecoin hoped for in January. *Global remittances. They're expanding into Europe and Brazil with Sofi Pay using the Lightning Network, offering members the cheapest way to send money compared to competitors. Last but not least, we have probably the most exciting news if it goes through: the S&P 500 inclusion. We're going to know the announcement of the next revision on December 5th. Sofi is one of the fastest growing financial institutions even eligible for the S&P 500. If we look to other examples, like Robinhood, an inclusion like this could expand the company's market cap by like 20 to 35%. That's a massive move and a huge endorsement of the company's growth trajectory. With explosive member growth, new products, and the tailwind of potential rate cuts, the outlook for this fintech giant is incredibly exciting. Fingers crossed.